Oh snap, guys. We done got the...
Get your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care.
Man, what you doing?
I'm just pulling up on you guys, seeing what's the progress on that RZR.
Man, this thing is sick.
Yeah, it's pretty sick, but we can only run it on private property, and that's exactly what we're doing.
Yes.
Private property here, right?
Yes, sir, for sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be ready for the strip here soon.
Man, check out that wing, though.
Oh, the wing. Whew. Aggressive.
Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Today we're going to continue working on our 2019 Turbo XP, and it's kind of exciting. At the end of this episode, we should have all the framework complete, so stay tuned and let's get started. Alright guys, we got Vasily builds in the house. Check him out. The link will be in the description. He does some custom buggies and small engines, and check out his machinery. I've never had anything like this, but I definitely need to invest in something. So he's going to go ahead and hook us up, bend this pipe, so we'll have it ready to be welded back on.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Let's see this thing in action.
There it goes.
Heck yeah.
He's doing a mighty fine job.
Yes, sir. Be sure to go give him a follow. The link will be the first in the description.
So we got the tube bent up. Now this is my first time doing something this complex, so we may have to shorten it up, but we'll just see how close it is. Yeah, that's about as good as it can get.
Oh man, she's looking pretty darn close.
Yeah, we can make that work. Y'all be sure to go check out Vasily Builds. The link will be in the description. He does some awesome work with some custom go-karts and builds awesome roll cages and stuff. So go check him out. You won't be disappointed. Clean that tip off a little bit.
Tell him why you gotta clean the tip off.
What's up, guys? Next day here, and Stan the man did a great job on all the welding for us. He hooked us up. This just pretty much just needs to be grinded down and it's all ready for etching primer. But before I could do that, I do have to cut these brackets off. They look like they're just single welded and not on the inside, so those should be cut off pretty easy. I got some rough measurements right over here, but let's go ahead and cut these off. At the same time, the driver that's bringing our new build from New York just called, said he was 30 minutes out. So hopefully he's in a small enough trailer to be able to bring it to the house. If not, I do have to get a truck and trailer and meet him somewhere. Or hopefully the new build is a run and drive where we could pull it back. But stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and get these cut off and go from there. Woo! So we got those 2 brackets cut off, and then I went to go get some water and check my phone. And guess what? The powder coating shop just called me saying that our control arms are ready. So I hope I can squeeze those in before the driver calls me and lets me know that he's here. And I don't want the powder coating shop to close. So let's go ahead and pick those up. So the weather's not the best. It's been raining all day, but hopefully it slows down when the new build comes in. But for now, let's get in the good old Jeep, get the pedal to the floor, and see if we can get those control arms before he closes for the day. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are in the good old Altima. This thing never disappoints. I misplaced the keys on the Jeep and I didn't have time to look for them. I want to get to the powder coating shop before they close, so I'm going as fast as I can. And then I don't want the driver waiting on us when he pulls up to the house. So let's get this done. And guys, I'm so excited, man. This new build's going to be so awesome. Stay tuned. The garage is still open. Let's go ahead and pick up our control arms and run them back to the house. I would hate for the driver to be waiting on us when he pulls up with the new build. So let's get these control arms and make it back to the house. All right, guys, so we just got the control arms picked up. They're right back there. I didn't have time to record in the shop, but I'll have more work for him, so I'll show you his setup later on. But be sure to go check out his Facebook page. It's B2 Powder Coating. It looks like we are on time. I haven't got a call from the driver, so let's go ahead and book it back to the house. All right, guys, so we are back on the Razor. It's been a couple of days since we picked up the control arms. We've been a little busy with the new build. That will be revealed in the next video. Stay tuned for that, but check these out. Ooh, you just dropped that little bearing, but we got the new ball joints in. We got all of our spacers right over here, and they match up pretty well. And then here's an update on the frame. We got all these brackets right here welded, got some etching primer and paint on all this. Everything is looking nice and clean.
Let's see how this will fit up.
Let's see, because we do have to take some more measurements after we get our suspension back on, just to see what everything looks like. I can't wait to throw the radiator in and have all this wrapped up and actually drive this thing, man. This is gonna be exciting. Does that need to be bent out a little bit? It's pretty tight. I just caught this dude picking his nose on the job, but yeah.
This thing needs to be bent a little bit.
Yeah, just bend it out. It's not as tough as the actual frame. Those are just some brackets. From up here, everything's aligning. You might just have to get a little rubber hammer or something.
Yep, I'm on it.
Dang, there you go. Is
Dang.
everything lining up?
Oh, everything is lining up perfect, dude.
Awesome, awesome. So as soon as we get this lower one on, we're gonna go throw the shock on and throw that upper control arm. But I do want to show you guys something on this old control arm. Even though I got it re-powder coated, I'm not sure why he did that. This one was bent, but he just hooked us up. I guess he gave us a favor or something. He didn't charge me for this one. But check out these BBs right over here. None of this was welded. Stan the Man did a way better job on ours. And this right here wouldn't even pass inspection. So those of you guys that always support the OEM factory stuff, I don't buy none of that.
I just made an oopsie, but it's all good.
Oh yeah, we could just take that off and slide it on through, because it's a lot harder to get these bolts to line up. I think we're having trouble on the other side. Looks like you got some Butterfingers today. You're dropping everything.
Yeah, I had a couple butter biscuits for breakfast.
The old grandma hooked them up, right?
Yep.
But yeah, this is awesome. This is all coming along. Also, I want to get your suggestion on whether or not if we should powder coat this aftermarket bumper or this metal bumper right here, or the plastic one, because I didn't even show you guys. We are getting this one repaired. Check this out. I've already got some primer on it right over here, and this right here just needs to be sanded just a little bit more. And all this was fixed by a good buddy of mine who does fiberglass work. He did an awesome job. As soon as he gets his YouTube channel, I will keep you guys updated and posted on that. But there right there is a little sneak peek of the new build. That's all I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, so after we get all this sanded, let me know if I should paint this bumper like the sky blue or the aftermarket one. I think it'd be a little bit too much if we did both, but maybe we'll do that one in like a gloss black without the texture finish. I think it's going to look really good.
All right, boss man, we got this lower control arm all nice and secured. Now it's time to move on to that upper one.
Yep. Everything is looking awesome. You think we can get that axle in after, or should we probably do it right now in between the two? Let's go ahead and grab that axle. It's right over here. We did also save a little bit of money on this axle right here. and I'll show you guys where I took it. I think it was, what's that place called?
No clue, brother.
Alright guys, so we just picked up our axles. If you're in the Red Bank area, check out Cannon's Rack and Axles. They do a really good job and the turnaround time is really quick. That sucker should just pop right in. Hold on, take it back out. Is there a ring over there? Yeah, I thought maybe that came off.
Just give it a little tap.
You're probably gonna need to get a bigger hammer. We'll give it a few more taps when we get some bolts in this diff. But for now, let's go ahead and get this upper control arm and see how everything lines up.
Maybe we'll have her ripping today.
Hammer that in. Just gotta give it a little tap sometimes. Yeah, what do you think about the powder coat? Do you see a difference? It's not gonna show up on camera, but I feel like this one's a little bit darker.
I think it's matching up just fine. Let's go ahead and throw this knuckle on and just keep moving right along.
Oh man, I'm so ready to have this axle go back in.
Ooh, got some nice movement right here.
See if that steering rod will fit. The steering wheel is straight right there. This one's looking pretty good. Just go ahead and quickly adjust this.
What does that look like?
Make sure you're spinning it the right way. I think this is like left thread. You want to go ahead and get that brake caliper on so I can hold it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Woo, it is dirty. Oh shoot, you know what we forgot?
What's that?
To put the clips in to hold the brake line. We gotta get a rivet gun and do that real quick.
Alright, so now let's go ahead and throw these suckers on. Oh man, check that out. You done smashed the crap out of them.
Perfecto.
Now hop in there and hold that brake. I'll tighten up this axle.
All right, let's do that. Let's go ahead and smash these Brembos down. Dang, man, I'm so excited to assemble this thing and finally drive it off the frame.
Are you holding them down or what, man?
All right, is this spinning?
Yep, you might have to press them down a couple times because I didn't smash those.
Oh, yeah, it seems like there's no fluid.
There we go, that should be it. Alright, hold it.
All right.
There we go.
Yeah, so I really do want to upgrade our steering wheel. This thing is bent. I could get an original one for super cheap, but I don't understand why like the Sparco ones are like 300 bucks. They come standard with the Turbo S. I don't think it's worth the money. Yo guys, check this out. So we got the front wheels back on the Razor. We got all the blocks and chains off. It's resting on its own suspension. And check out that front end. It looks kind of dope without the bumpers. I am gonna wait on Stan the Man to see what he says about this wheel. It seems like it's kind of slanted to the outside. So we're gonna do like a string alignment and get all this squared away. But make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications. You don't wanna miss out on the next episode. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so that's a wrap for this episode. Last night we worked super late into the night, got some good hours of work, and we got this beast all back together. Check that out. Minus the radiator, after sorting out through some boxes and parts that we have, I found out that we're still missing a few miscellaneous things, so I've already got those on order. Stay tuned for the next episode. This thing is coming off the frame, and we'll be ripping it in the next one. With all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. We got some awesome plans and ideas coming to the channel. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.tv. The link will be in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.
With